Best dishwashers listed in this video, considering their performance versus price. The dishwashers mentioned here are not in any exact order, so watch till the end of this video, to find out which dishwasher is the best for you. And check out product links in the description below, for updated price and more information. First off, Farberware Countertop Dishwasher. Next up, Novit Compact Countertop Dishwasher. Next up, Energy Star built-in stainless steel tall tub dishwasher. Last but not the least, Bosch built-in dishwasher. Check out product links in the description below for price, customer reviews, and more information of these best dishwashers. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to this channel, to get notified of our upcoming videos. Please feel free to share your own review, as well as comments, questions, or disagreements about these best dishwashers.